Most of the creators worry about the video quality, but what about the audio quality? So today in this video I have got three different wireless microphones from BOYA. The BOYA Mini, the BOYA Link 3 and the BOYA Mic 2. So this video will help you to decide which one you can choose and which one worth to buy. Starting off simple, this is the most tiny mic in the world, the BOYA Mini. This is an easy pick for beginners who don't know much about wireless mics. The BOYA mic is probably the easiest mic setup and most tiny mic I have used. The regular price of the BOYA Mini is $59.99, but on Prime Day, using my link in the description, it's only $56.99. There are top features, that is compact AirPod style charging case. The mic is smaller and lighter than a coin, only 5 grams. Work with smartphones and it is available in both USB-C and Lightning versions. Come with two tiny transmitters, one receiver, and its instant auto connection. No pairing steps or apps required. The mics can be used up to 6 hours and 30 hours total with the charging case. Basic noise reduction built in and entire setup is lightweight, ultra portable and minimal. This is the audio coming from the phone's built-in mic. I think it takes few seconds then it turn on. So I have turned on this BOYA Mini mic and this is the audio quality from this mic in a quiet room. So it automatically filter the background noise, but it won't kill all the background noise. However, it's still suitable for vlogging and quick shots. It's decent. Now I'm using the BOYA Mic Mini outdoors, so you can hear the differences between indoor and outdoor audio quality. This tiny mic is perfect for Insta Reels, TikTok videos, smartphone bloggers and casual YouTube creators and those who hates complicated setup. This is tiny but powerful. This is a BOYA Link 3. It's wireless microphone system designed for content creators, vloggers and really anyone who needs clean, reliable audio on to go. The packaging looks clean and modern. The first thing you will notice is that everything is neatly packed in a hard shell case. That's always a plus. Well, inside the box we have got charging cable, windscreen, USB-C and Lightning and also 3.5 mm TRS adapters, which means it works with smartphones, cameras, laptops, you name it. So there are one receiver and two transmitters, which is pretty cool, great for interviewers or dual recording. Well, first impression, these things are super compact. The transmitters are lightweight but don't feel cheap. That's a nice matte finish and the clip on the back is sturdy enough to attach to a shirt or camera strap. The receiver is also pretty cool. It's modular. So you just pop in the adapter you need depending on your device, USB-C for Android or mirrorless cameras, and also Lightning for iPhones. There is a bonus feature which BOYA Mini doesn't have. There is an app that is called BOYA app. So you just need to download it and you can adjust gain and adapt firmware. You can switch audio to stereo, mono or safety mode. And you can even tap the mic to start or stop phone recording when you are alone. That's super helpful when filming solo. During Prime Day, you can grab it for just $95.99 using my link in the description. Alright, so here's a quick sound test. This is my camera's built-in mic. So you can clearly hear the background noise, right? Now I'm using the BOYA Link 3 without turning on the noise filter. And this is perfect for capturing the natural sound for your videos, for vlogging. And there is the button, a small button. When you press, this blue light turns green. It means the noise filter turned on. So whenever the sound is very noisy, it helps to filter the noise. It kills all the background noises. This is perfect for interviews and YouTube videos. There's one thing stands out, that is 100-meter range, and now it's 50-meter range, and you still can hear me out, right? I think that's more than enough for most shooting situations. Something you don't usually find in regular wireless microphones at this price is its ability to pair a single microphone with multiple receivers at the same time. Let me show you how it works. To pair one BOYA Link 3 microphone with multiple receivers, just hold the power button on each receiver and the microphone for about 5 seconds. The lights will start blinking to indicate pairing mode, and once they turn solid blue light, the connection is complete. This is a game changer for live streaming on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube at the same time. Instead of using three separate microphones, you can use one BOYA Link 3 paired with multiple receivers, each connected to a different device. And BOYA Mic 2 also supports this same feature. Here I will say two sentences. The audio will be picked up by this laptop and by this smartphone simultaneously. So you can hear how it sounds. So I'm going to turn on the noise cancellation. As I just turn on, as you can see, all the receivers light turn in green, and this blue and this green. So it means it turned on the noise cancellation. I'm going to start the recording now. As you can see, the device has picked up the BOYA Link 3 already, and let's start. So this is the audio you are hearing from my laptop and by this phone setup, and all at the same time. If you purchase through my link, I will earn a small commission. Thanks for your support. So this is the audio you are hearing from my laptop and by this phone setup, and all at the same time. If you purchase through my link, I will earn a small commission. Thanks for your support. So this is the audio you are hearing from my laptop and by this phone setup, and all at the same time. If you purchase through my link, I will earn a small commission. Thanks for your support. This is the one I can trust for serious projects, the BOYA Mic 2, the most affordable 32-bit floating point recording microphone you will ever need. It's designed for creators who can't afford audio mistakes. If you do client work, podcast, or serious YouTube, this is worth every dollar. Now I'm using the BOYA Mic 2. So this is the audio quality you get from BOYA Mic 2. I haven't turned on the noise cancellation, so this is the real sound quality you get if you wanted to capture the background noise in your videos. For vlogging, this is a good thing to showcase the real time. You can hear the sound, right? So now I'm going to turn on the noise cancellation, which is very easy. I just need to press one time and the blue light turns green. So it means the noise cancellation turned on. So now you can still hear the noise cancellation or not. I think it kills all the background noise. Oh yes, this BOYA mic still can record your voice even you are far away from your transmitters, about 100 meters. So I think this is 50 meters, right? 50 meters. You still can hear my voice, right? This is the walking sound. So this is the audio quality you get from BOYA Mic 2. So here's the box. Clean design, compact packaging. Let's open it up and see what we can get inside. First up, we have got some user manual and warranty card, BOYA mic pouch, and a wind screen. That's nice touch for reducing background noise, and of course two magnet clips. And we also have got a 3.5 mm TRS adapters, which means it should work with phones, cameras, and laptops. And there are two long wires lavalier microphone. And in the last, we have got the BOYA Mic 2 microphone itself. It feels steady, not too heavy, but definitely not cheap. And this is where things get interesting. As I said earlier, it has built-in 32-bit floating point recording, so even if your audio gets too loud, you can fix it later without losing quality. The AMOLED touchscreen makes it easy to see and adjust settings. And with app control, you can manage everything right from your phone. The BOYA Mic 2 usually costs about $200, but for Prime Day, it's down to just $159.99 when you are using my link in the description. So, what are the standards features? It comes with AI noise reduction with two strength levels, and of course, 32-bit floating recording, no more clipping issues, safety track minus 12 decibels. That means you are reducing loud input to avoid destruction. It helps you to control audio levels, especially in noisy environment. Plus point is each transmitter's TX include 8 GB of internal storage and allowing you to record audio directly on the mic. And that's great for outdoor shoots or unpredictable sound levels. Alright, guys, all three of these BOYA mics have the place. And if you are just starting out and want something plug and play for your phone, the BOYA Mini is super affordable and easy to use. And the Link 3 gives you more flexibility, better range, app control, and dual mic support. Perfect for regular creators and interviews. And if you are serious about sound and want pro features like 32-bit floating recording, backup recording, and AI noise control, the BOYA mic is an absolute beast for the price. So honestly, it depends on what kind of creator you are, but BOYA's got something for every level. Thanks for watching this review, guys, and if you do like this review, please consider to subscribing to my channel for more tech content, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.